The alveoli in the lung are where gas exchange takes place. This is where oxygen is absorbed within the circulatory system and CO2, carbon dioxide, is given off. In COPD, lung alveoli are actually lost due to the disease, and this causes a decrease in overall respiratory capacity. And if you look at people's lungs that have COPD, there's a lot more open space, and that is due to the reduction in the number of the alveoli. So one of the projects in the lab is to generate a lung alveolar organoid, which is a little organoid in a dish outside of the lung. And by doing so, we hope to be able to understand how the different cell types interact with each other, which will eventually give us some insight into how the lung will regenerate in disease states such as COPD. So one of the biggest challenges in understanding and building an organoid in a dish, an alveolar organoid in a dish, is the fact that we don't understand the different cell types, and it's a very delicate structure compared to the airways, which are more robust and sort of look like long tubes and have a very stereotypical structure to them. Alveoli in the lung don't have a stereotypical structure. It looks almost more like a sponge where they're irregular shapes and architecture. So that architecture is very delicate. This is one of the reasons why it's very sensitive and gets destroyed in disease. So that's a challenge to really try to regenerate that delicate structure in a dish. One of the things that's always excited me about lung biology is that it's really one of the most complex organs that we have. There's so many different cell types. There's at least several dozen cell types, many of which we don't even know and understand at this point. And within the human lung, all these cell types have to interact and talk to each other constantly just to maintain normal tissue structure. And there's a lot more going on when the tissue is damaged or there's a chronic disease such as COPD. So just understanding the basic elements, the structural building blocks of the lung is a really exciting thing for me to look at.